Hey guys, new project, and it involves this. Targets. Okay, I had an idea that I was going to base the targets off of something like this, a little spinning target. So I may make this piece as well, but mine's going to be a little different. It's going to be portable, and we're going to use material that is cheap. So if it gets tore up, we can replace it easily. So I'm going to opt for this conduit. Most of it's usually galvanized, so you can have it out in the weather. But the best part of this design is I can pull it apart and stick it in the back of my car, so I don't have to have a whole lot of room to store it. What we need to do next is make a template and transfer my design to this plate and cut it out. Simplest designs are the best. Basically, your legs will go right here and your crossbar will go here. This will just bend like that and hold the whole system together. As always, I didn't think about this. Transferring this piece right there is going to use up a lot of material because I need to make two of them. So I'm just going to use this round stock, cut off some pieces, and weld them to this angle right here. Okay, I also gotta get these legs cut to length. So I don't think they were quite 6 foot. They're not. So let's get them. It's really not gonna make a difference as long as this thing's set and level. Get this done. Okay. Now all I want to do is just get these welded up, just like so. I'm also going to make use of the scrap wood I had laying around for my target holder. Okay, I got that cut. So I plan on using these little eye screws on the top. I just need to drill some holes up here, and that'll hang from my crossbeam. So basically, I just want to get this thing together. Put the legs in like this. I need to put that right there. Go in like that. And there we go. Instant target. Maybe we need to get out and see how this thing works. I don't know, I might want to bend these tabs a little bit so the legs kick out a little bit, but we'll see. So I guess the only thing left to do is put a target on this and shoot at it. All right, got this thing set up. Let's try it out, George. Yeah, it's off a little bit on the one. Oh well. Let's see what George can do. I think it's about time you shoot the AR. So how you think we did?
Pretty good.
Got a little high there. Too bad.
Wait, were the smaller the ones the 22?
You didn't even hit it with the other one. Your aim's off, dude.
I know.
Well, so overall the target worked out really good, wouldn't you say, George?
Yeah.
And it holds steady, everything holds up, the wood's expendable, so we can always put in a new piece of wood if it gets shot up. And the best part is I can take it apart and put it in my trunk when I go to the range. So it works out beautifully. If you guys have made a similar project or seen something I could do better, leave me a message in the comments. And if you would like, consider subscribing. And thanks for watching.